In my last video, I made hidden base bushes for any outdoor scenario. And now I'll cover how I made these ferns and other underbrush to bring even more life to the great outdoors. The best part about this craft is that it's super simple, there's no painting, and you can bust out a whole bunch of these in a matter of hours. Now let's jump in. Really quick, I'm going to show you guys just how durable these ferns and other underbrushes truly are. You never have to worry about dropping them, you can literally scatter them out at the table, and when it comes to storage, you can store them in any way you desire. Me personally, I like to store mine in tackle boxes, just like this. So in order to craft these for yourself, all you need are cheap washers, super glue, floral displays, dirt, and some accelerant. Starting with the floral displays, I found mine at Hobby Lobby, which are right now 50% off. And I'm gonna pick off my favorite leaves, which they're not all equal because some of them have plastic that connects them together, but I'm not gonna throw away the ones that I'm not using on this. I'm gonna save them for an upcoming craft. I got some plans on making those useful. Next, I'll take the center of the washer and fill it with super glue and just start laying down those fern leaves. If you wanna make some adjustments to the position of where the leaves are, I suggest using a tightly wound, fine tip Q-tip. And it's simply as easy as building them up in layers. Each one of these ferns probably took me close to 10 minutes to complete, maybe a little less, and using some accelerant will make it go even faster. After you've achieved the look that you're going for, I applied super glue around the edges of the washers and sprinkled dirt on it to hide any of the parts of the washers that might be visible. And finally, I personally felt like the plastic from these floral displays is kind of shiny and doesn't look quite right because of it, so all I did to correct that was take them outside and hit them with a matte clear coat. And that's it when it comes to these bushes and other types of underbrush. They are mad easy to make, not a huge time investment, and honestly, very cheap. I want to take a second to thank all my amazing patrons, especially Michael, who's pledging at the shop foreman level. Thank you. If you want to help support this channel, then consider hitting like, subscribe, ring the dinner bell, and until next time, keep all your fantasy fantastic.